Hi, welcome.
It's all your fault. It's all yours.
It's not my fault.
Okay, hi, welcome back to Mad Scientist. My name is Noah.
And my name is Lizzie.
And
today we are trying to open and close a pine cone with water.
let's try it.
No.
3.
No. Follow the scientific method. Why are we doing this?
Because you wanted to?
Because we
You wanted to.
want.
You wanted to.
To.
Yeah.
Because Lizzie
Wanted to.
wants to.
Yes, Lizzie makes up all of our videos. Hypothesis, it's not going to work.
Noah.
Not going to work. What are you going to say?
Not going to work. Lizzie.
Thinks it will work?
Here, I'm gonna write it this way. No. Yes. Okay, materials.
A pine cone and water in a mug. Why are we even doing this exactly?
Okay. Then we leave it blank until we find out the results. Stop.
3, 2.
No.
I get this mug.
I'm gonna redo that water.
Why?
Because it's not nearly warm enough.
Oh, you need it warm.
It feels warm, but it is not actually warm.
How would that be?
There's not nearly any. There's like no water in my water heater upper. There's literally no water in here. You can dump that out. The cold one's fine. Okay.
What?
Now we're going to heat this up.
So this thing has been plugged in.
It is. I can't find the thermometer, so I can't tell you how hot it is or how cold. It's not that cold. It's kind of cold. It's cold if you live south of, it's cold if you live in like Florida, Georgia, where like anything under or like 60 degrees is cold. What temperature is it currently?
What are you doing?
It's currently 35 and we're in sweatshirts.
You don't want to be in sweatshirts, but
His mom made them.
I don't know if it's heating up.
I should have planned this better. Don't touch it. Hi, Harry. I feel like I'm centered. Oh, everyone, meet my fish. This is Ginny Weasley. And then you've already met my dog. His name is Harry Potter. I'm gonna center you guys.
Okay, I think we're good.
No, it's gonna be. Would you like some hot chocolate while we're making this, Noah?
What?
Do you want some hot chocolate since we have hot water?
No. But does this get to a boiling point?
Should. I'm gonna make us some hot chocolate.
Yeah.
Which one do you want? Hamilton? I break into show time.
Hamilton.
Guys, you guys see my Hamilton mug?
What? I like
Da
Hamilton.
da 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 Like now I feel like we're like news reporters, like da 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 da. Welcome back. Like there's just like mugs that they don't actually have anything in them, but they're there.
I'm gonna speed this up.
You could. Unless you want to do a really funny news report.
Hello, I'm Noah, and I just got talented. Bye.
Breaking news with Noah.
Well, I just watched Hamilton and I actually like it.
Oh, that's good.
And now I'm watching it again.
Okay. Don't stick your hand in there. Do not stick your hand in there.
I got a pine cone.
160 degrees. Hold on. Move the camera. Did you hear that? Mm-hmm. The iPod just went.
Okay, we're gonna put some stuff in this.
So this is what it originally looks like. And then now, there we go. You ready?
That's cold.
Well, put it in. You can see what happens.
This one in here?
Yeah. Go.
This one's a cold one.
Just gonna hold it under the water for 1 minute.
Leave it in the water, under the water for 1 minute. The only issue with opening fish is so soggy. Don't put it, please. Oh, it's empty, it's it's been over a minute already.
Okay, take them out. So this is the cold water. So let's move that. Let's move both of them over here.
It's the hot water, nothing happens to it except it's really soggy.
Okay, set that down.
And this one that we didn't even put in. This one that we didn't put in.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that one is more open.
You can
than
smell
this one.
this one. This is the warm one. It doesn't smell good, but you can smell it. Noah's now not happy that he smelled it. How about we do it this way? You ready, Noah? Sometimes it's easier when you didn't do the experiment to tell a difference. So I'm gonna zoom in. So again, this is warm water, cold water, and control. Thank you for your scientific words. Very good. Okay, let us know. Well, actually, here, I'll tell you again. So, in the comment, put A, or wait, no. Let us know if it changed. But then say like C changed, if you can remember that. So it's like C is hot, B is cold, and A is control. But you want to put A.
I think the egg of pine cone should be at C with C stands for control.
Okay, let us know in the comments.
It did not change at all.
Well, you'll have to comment. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. We'll see you next time on Mad Scientists. Bye!